Dairy animals need food 2.5 to 3.5% of their body weight every day. A big buffalo with good milk yield needs 30 kilograms of food and a cow needs 25 kilograms of food including cattle feed. The total food should have 40% dry and 60% wet portion. The green or wet fodder must have 25% leguminous herbage and 75% monocot grasses. Production of 1 liter milk needs 500 grams of balanced cattle feed. In other words, a cow yielding 10 liters of milk has to get 5 kilograms of cattle feed. In addition, 100 grams of mineral mixture per animal per day is also necessary. This dairy never buys ready cattle feed. Instead, they mix 50% broken maize, 15 to 20% cottonseed, coconut or groundnut cake, 20% dicot gram waste, and 10% wheat bran. This mixture is soaked in clean water for 12 hours. 3 kilograms of this mixture is fed to each milking animal per time. In addition, 2 kilograms of barley husk per time per animal is also fed. Buffaloes get extra 1 kilogram of feed mixture. Additional 50 grams of mineral mixture and 50 grams of common salt are put per animal per day. Apart from all these, the animals with more than 10 liters of milk is given 1 kilogram of Godrej Milk More special cattle feed.